If you're 94 years old and instead of hobbling around with a cane, you're out gardening, climbing stairs, or even taking a brisk walk with a spring in your step. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. It's a reality for some seniors who've unlocked the secret to keeping their legs strong well into old age. And here's the kicker. It might all come down to one essential vitamin. Stick around because in this video, we're revealing what it is, why it's a game changer for senior health, and how you can use it to stay mobile and independent, even at 94. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about empowering you with simple, science-backed tips to live your healthiest life at any age. And if you want to keep your legs strong and your body thriving as you get older, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for seniors and anyone who wants to age like a champ: leg strength. We'll explore why it matters, what happens when it fades, and the one vitamin that could make all the difference. Let's get moving. Let's start with the basics. Why should we even care about leg strength as we age? Legs are your foundation. They carry you through life, literally. Whether it's getting out of a chair, walking to the mailbox, or keeping up with your grandkids, strong legs mean independence. But here's the harsh truth. After age 65, muscle mass and strength can drop by 1–2% every year if you don't take action. That's called sarcopenia, and it's why so many seniors struggle with mobility. Weak legs lead to falls, fractures, and a loss of freedom. But it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine being 94 and still moving with confidence, gardening, dancing, or just enjoying a stroll. That's what we're aiming for, and it starts with understanding what keeps those legs strong. So, what's stealing leg strength from so many seniors? It's not just aging itself. There's a sneaky culprit at play: nutrient deficiencies. As we get older, our bodies don't absorb vitamins and minerals as well as they used to. Add in less appetite, dietary restrictions, or even medications, and you've got a recipe for trouble. Weakness creeps in, balance falters, and suddenly those legs that carried you for decades start to let you down. But here's the good news. Science shows that one vitamin in particular can turn the tide. And it's so simple, you'll wish you'd known about it sooner. All right, let's cut to the chase. The one essential vitamin to keep your legs strong in old age, even at 94, is vitamin D. Yep, the sunshine vitamin isn't just for bones, it's a powerhouse for your muscles too. Studies show that vitamin D plays a massive role in muscle function, strength, and balance. And get this, seniors with low vitamin D levels are twice as likely to fall compared to those with healthy levels. Why? Because vitamin D helps your muscles contract properly, supports nerve signals, and keeps inflammation in check. Without it, your legs can feel wobbly, weak, and unreliable. You could be that 94-year-old climbing stairs like it's no big deal. Let's geek out for a second. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Vitamin D works its magic by binding to receptors in your muscle cells. Think of it like a key unlocking a door. It tells your muscles to stay strong and responsive. A 2017 study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors who boosted their vitamin D levels saw major improvements in leg strength and walking speed. Another study showed that people over 65 with low vitamin D had a harder time standing up from a chair, something so basic yet so vital. And here's the kicker. As we age, our skin doesn't make vitamin D from sunlight as efficiently, and our diets often fall short. So, if you're not topping up, your legs could be paying the price. Now let's bring this to life. Take Margaret, a 94-year-old from California. A few years ago, she was struggling to walk across her living room. Her legs felt like jelly, and she was terrified of falling. Her doctor checked her vitamin D levels, and they were in the basement. After starting a supplement and spending a little more time in the sun, Margaret's a different person. She's back to gardening, walking her dog, and even showing off her moves at family dance parties. Or consider John, a 92-year-old who swore his secret to staying mobile was a daily dose of vitamin D, paired with a short walk. These aren't miracles. They're proof that this vitamin can transform senior health. So how much vitamin D do you need to keep your legs strong? The official recommendation for seniors is 800 IU, that's international units, per day, according to the National Institutes of Health. But here's the catch. Many experts say that's the bare minimum. If you're over 70 or at risk for deficiency, like if you live in a cloudy area or don't get much sun, 1,000 to 2,000 IU might be better. Some folks even need more, but don't go overboard without checking with your doctor. Too much vitamin D can cause issues like high calcium levels, so balance is key. The sweet spot? Get your levels tested. Aim for 30 to 50 nanograms per milliliter in your blood. That's where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about how to get this leg-saving vitamin into your life. There are three main ways: sunlight, food, and supplements. First, sunlight. 15 to 30 minutes a day, depending on your skin tone and location, can boost your levels naturally. Just don't overdo it. Safety first. Second, food. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified stuff like milk or cereal pack some vitamin D, but it's tough to get enough from diet alone. That's where option 3 comes in. Supplements. A simple vitamin D3 pill, D3, as the kind your body loves best, can fill the gap. Pair it with a meal that has some fat, like avocado or nuts, to help your body absorb it. Easy, right? Vitamin D's the star, but it doesn't work alone. To keep your legs strong at 94, add these boosters. First, move. Simple exercises like walking, leg lifts, or chair squats build muscle and keep joints happy. Second, eat protein. Think beans, chicken, or Greek yogurt to fight sarcopenia. Third, stay hydrated. Water keeps muscles flexible. And finally, get enough sleep. Your legs recover while you snooze. Combine these with vitamin D, and you've got a winning formula for senior strength. Imagine this. You're 94, stepping out into your garden, feeling the strength in your legs as you bend down to plant a flower. Or maybe you're chasing your great-grandkids around the yard, laughing as you go. That's not just a dream. It's within reach with one essential vitamin and a few smart habits. Vitamin D isn't a cure-all, but it's a cornerstone for keeping your legs and your independence strong in old age. So why not start today? A little sunshine, a supplement, and a commitment to moving could change everything. What do you think? Ready to give vitamin D a shot? Drop a comment below and let me know how you're keeping your legs strong. Or if you've got a senior in your life who inspires you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with someone who deserves to thrive in their golden years. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on aging well. Until next time, here's to strong legs and a vibrant life no matter your age. See you soon.